Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about why Power BI stands out as one of the top choices for business and data professionals alike. From its user-friendly interface to its robust security measures, we will delve into the key reasons why Power BI has become the go-to tool for data analysis and visualization. The first reason is the user interface. One of the standout features of Power BI is its intuitive and user-friendly interface. With a familiar Microsoft Office style ribbon and a drag and drop functionality, users can quickly navigate and build compelling visualizations without the need for extensive training or technical expertise. The second is the comprehensive data connectivity. Power BI offers extensive data connectivity options, allowing users to connect to a wide range of data sources, including databases, cloud services, and online platforms. Whether your data is stored on premises or in cloud, Power BI provides seamless integration, enabling users to bring all their data together in one place. The third reason is the powerful data transformation and modeling. With Power BI's robust data transformation and modeling capabilities, users can easily clean, shape, and model their data to uncover the meaningful insights. Whether it's restructuring the data, creating relationship between tables, or defining custom measures, Power BI provides the tool needed to prepare the data for analysis quickly and efficiently. The fourth reason is the rich visualization capabilities. Power BI offers a wealth of visualization options, including interactive charts, graphs, maps, and more. Users can customize and configure visualizations to suit their specific needs, creating dynamic and engaging reports and dashboards that convey insights effectively. The fifth reason is seamless integration within Microsoft ecosystem. As a part of the Microsoft ecosystem, Power BI seamlessly integrates with other Microsoft products and services such as Office 365, Azure, and Dynamics 365. This integration enables users to leverage the existing investments and data assets, maximizing the value of their Microsoft ecosystem while streamlining workflows and collaborations. The next reason is the cloud based collaboration. Power BI's cloud based collaboration feature enables the teams to work together on reports and dashboards in real time regardless of their location. With features such as shared workspaces, co authoring, and commenting, teams can collaborate effectively and make decisions faster, leading to greater productivity and innovations. The next reason is mobile accessibility. Power BI offers native mobile apps for iOS, Android, and Windows devices, allowing users to access their data and insights on the go. With mobile optimized dashboards and reports, users can stay informed and make decisions anytime, anywhere using their preferred device. The next reason is the natural language query. Power BI's natural language query capabilities enables users to ask questions about their data using everyday's language. By simply typing or speaking questions, users can get instant answers and insights, making data analysis more accessible and intuitive for everyone. The next one is the scalability for organization of all sizes. Whether you are a small startup or a large enterprise, Power BI scales to meet the needs of organizations of all sizes. With flexible licensing options, scalable cloud infrastructure, and enterprise grade features such as data governance and security, Power BI provides a cost effective and scalable solution for organizations at every stage of their data journey. The next reason is the robust security measures. Power BI optimizes data security and privacy, offering robust security measures to protect sensitive information, from role based access control to encryption at rest and in transit. Power BI ensures that your data remains secure and compliant with industry regulations. So, in this video, we have explored 10 compelling reasons why Power BI is the preferred choice for data analysis and visualization. From its user friendly interface and comprehensive data connectivity to its rich visualization capabilities and robust security measures, Power BI empowers users to unlock the full potential of their data and drive smarter decisions making. So, stay tuned for the next video. In that, we will be talking about the different components of Power BI. Thank you.